Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Siacoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Very interesting chart, of course. We have just hit the blue box, the perfect time, the perfect fib level as well. And we start to see a bounce toward the upside. We're gonna, of course, estimate what we are looking at. For the overview, to remember, what do we have? We have, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse, finishing wave A or wave 1. And potentially here we're looking at a triangle A, B, C, D, and an E. Very nice, finished in the blue box right now, and potentially moving for a wave C toward the upside. Meaning A, B, and a C, of course, the target are the one-to-one fib level around the 0.11. So this is a very, very nice scenario that it might unfold here. Of course, we need still to analyze internally to see, of course, what's going on, but very, very nice scenario. As we can see, another scenario can be an A, B, and a C. Your wave C toward the downside can still move lower, of course, where you have here kind of like an impulse, three ways up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the downside. However, this wave here, if we zoom in, it doesn't look very, very impulsive, but still can be, yeah, still has some possibility. If we move on the daily, so of course that is the daily here where we have of course 5 ways down in case we are impulsive, 5 ways down, 3 ways up, 5 ways down. Yeah, so possibilities are of course higher for this triangle since we did not yet broke the invalidation point, yeah, for the triangle, and we start to see a reversal toward the upside. Now these 5 waves down, correction 5 waves down, has finished of course a zigzag potential for your wave E in an impulse. Let's move in the 4-hour chart to see much more clearer here. Your impulse here is 1, 2, 3, 4 as A, B, C, D, E correction, and then looking for lower. If we zoom in as well much more here, you can see of course this your wave 4. For a wave E, of course, finished exactly here for this triangle, finishing with it a wave 4. And your wave 5, which it should be of course soon finished or potentially finished as well. But yeah, I mean, here look where the scenarios becomes to be a little bit weird. We have an impulse ABC for wave 2. If this is your wave 3, of course, is not done. 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah. So potentially, of course, still has some scenarios here for the bearish, but it is all sideways ranging. It means, of course, inside this blue box. I would say, of course, whatever it happens here, it might be very, very bullish, of course. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 that still has to be finished, and for 5, and then formation for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. If we take a look inside the 1-hour chart here, well, as you can see, it's not very, very impulsive. It looks like choppy here, yeah, in this area. We would like to see 5 ways up. However, we see so far a little bit 3 ways rather than 5 ways, right? On the 15-minute chart, look what we have. Yeah, so yeah, it could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, wave 2, yeah, as an expanding flat, but yeah, still choppy, guys. Still choppy. I wouldn't say that it is 100% bullish, but the potential in a bigger view, it is bullish. Yeah, so this is what I mean. Very, very close to finish, of course, this structure here for a wave 5, and finishing with it this wave E. Yeah, and by the way, if you would like to finish anyway, the wave E here, let me go to the 4-hour chart. A wave E in this big impulse toward the downside for wave A, right, in a zigzag, because wave E has to be a zigzag. This is the idea. And you have this here, a 1-to-1 fib level as a zigzag. You will see the confluence with the target is still a little bit low. Oh, we have already the fib here in confluence, yeah, for a 1-to-1 fib level. So the possibility, of course, is still there, yeah, that we move a little bit lower. But don't forget that if we break this invalidation, it will invalidate, of course, this triangle. Meaning it might, of course, move even to the 1-to-1 fib level to finish a wave 2 here, a wave B, and then bullish from there. Yeah. for higher. But potentially, of course, I would say this is a perfect triangle. Yeah, looks like a perfect triangle as we can see here. A, B, C, D, and an E. So far, looks very, very nice. And I think that just a few lows, it can, of course, launch or trigger a very bullish scenario, meaning a little bit here and then moving for very high move, yeah, for wave C. And the targets are 0.11, yeah. So these are the scenarios for Siacoin. And the bearish one, of course, in overview is a bigger correction. You would like to hit the 1-to-1 fib level, meaning a little bit low, and then, of course, moving back again for higher. Yep, so that was it for Siacoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.